Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the May Glossybox. How pretty is this box, you guys? I opened it. So it gets shipped in like this dark, like this black. This is the typical box that gets shipped in. When you open it, you get to see the actual box. And when I opened it, I was like, oh, I wasn't expecting it to be so like pretty and colorful and like summery. You got this like ombre blue. Okay, enough about the box, right? But if you're unfamiliar with what Glossybox is, it is a monthly subscription box. You get deluxe size samples, sometimes full size samples of beauty products. They're always really, really exciting. Last month was the first time I had ever gotten a Glossybox. So this is my second Glossybox of all time and I can't wait to dig in, you guys. There was also a little gift card in my box for Velvet eyewear, $25 gift card. It's like the prettiest little present. Oh my gosh, their boxes are A+, you guys, just like so cute. So it does come with a little pamphlet that tells you what is in the box. I'm gonna keep this right here in case I need some guidance to explain the products to you guys. But other than that, we're just gonna bust in and open this up together. Here's what it looks like inside. So the first thing my eyes like beeline to is this nail polish right here. I just did a nail polish declutter here on my channel and this is my favorite nail polish color, you guys. Like this pink, like dusty cream, like, oh my God, this, oh, I can't, my nails are naked right now, so this is perfect. I can't wait to put this on my nails. Now that I have such a small collection of nail polish, I just feel like I can re-enjoy nail polish again, like get excited about new ones, you know, instead of feeling overwhelmed like I have a whole bunch of them. So I've never tried this brand before. It's by Be Your Incredible Self with Nails.Inc. I've never tried this before, but the packaging is cute, the color is perfect, and it's called Blossom Kisses. Okay, next thing in here looks like a brow pomade by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. It's the Stay Put Brow Gel in the color Chestnut. So this might be a tiny bit too dark for me. This reminds me a lot of Benefit, not Gimme Brow, the one that looks just like this. There's one that looks just like this, and then you pull it off and it has a little brush like that on the tip too. So definitely the same concept where it's like a pomade-y type thing. So because it's the wrong color, I might give it to somebody that has darker hair and darker brows. But brow products are always really fun to try. Okay, next thing in here is by the brand Aveda. This is their Nutri-Plenish Leave-In Conditioner. So Aveda is one of those brands where I'm always really intrigued by the products, but the smell, it's very natural and very herbally and I can't get over it. So I'm curious if this has that Aveda smell. It's not as bad, you guys. It has a lemon scent to it. Okay, so this might finally be the first Aveda product I can, you know, stomach the smell of and try. So this is a pretty decent size for a leave-in conditioner. It's on a little spray here too, which makes it easy to apply, really nice. It also says that it shields your hair from UV rays and heat damage. So that's always really nice when it's kind of combined within the leave-in conditioner. Okay, next thing in my box is, what is this? Thermal water? Is that what this is? I'm confused by this. Let's see what it says. It says this is actually an extra treat, so it's a bonus product packaged directly at the source in the French Alps and filled with mineral salts. This skincare water is just what you need to moisturize, soothe, and protect your skin. It's perfect for those hot summer days ahead. Okay, I've always been curious about like spray waters like this. I do feel like it'd be a really fun like at the pool type product where you're like, oh, I'm just so parched. Let me go grab a drink of my beer and then spray my face with water, you know? I don't know. Also see, except for that has salt in it, so I don't know about that. But this would be a really good thing to have on your vanity to like wet your beauty blender if you needed a little bit of hydration. Okay, next thing in here is a bath salt, mineral bath salt from the brand Nip, I think, K-N-E-I-P-P. Haven't heard of that brand before. This is a really generous sample size. I do love taking baths. I take a bath almost every single night. I love bath bombs. Bath salts I haven't used in a really long time, so I will be very curious about this. This is supposed to be stress relieving and promote better sleep. It's a vegan formula with essential oils. Okay, last thing in my box is by the brand Earth Harbor, and this is the Anti-Pollution Youth Ampule? That doesn't really tell me what the product is. Let's see. Oh, it looks like a serum of some sort. Yep, it's definitely a serum. So it says apply 1 or 2 drops to your skin after cleansing and toning, massage until absorbed, and follow with moisturizer. Wow, this is a $48 value. That's awesome. This serum is supposed to normalize skin pH and smooth fine lines. Okay, you guys, well, that is what came in my May Glossybox. Let me know what your thoughts are on the box down below. Are you subscribed? Are you not subscribed? If you would like to subscribe, then I will link the Glossybox website down below for you. They did give me a special code and a special link where you can get your first box for $1. So all of this for $1 is a fantastic deal. So take advantage of that. Check out the link below, and I'll talk to you next time.